how to use multiple authentications guard in Laravel 6 app. So I'm expecting in your system already installed PHP 7 1.3, OpenSSL PHP extension, PDO PHP extension, MB string PHP extension, tokenized PHP extension, XML and PHP extension. So hope so you have already installed this stuff. And so actually I have written one blog, so you can check from my blog also, siddharthshukla.in/blog, how to use multiple authentications guard in Laravel. So I also give you in description area my blog URL. Even I have uploaded same code on GitHub, so you can check out from you can clone from GitHub. And if you face any problem, any issue while you installing and while you anything you're doing in your system, please comment on my comment section. Definitely I will try to solve your problem. And let's start. So I'm going to use right now VS Code. So this video will take a lot of time, so I will use already I have written code, okay, because I don't want to make a lot big video. So actually I'm using 1 second from 1 second. I'm going to terminal. Okay, so now you can check here. Okay, I'm going to htdocs folder. Actually in my I'm using Mac, I'm using Mac, so I have MAMP. So I'm going to my folder. You can put out where you want. So I'm putting my all files in MAMP folder within a htdocs folder. So now hope so you know how to install Laravel in your system. If you have any doubt, you can watch my video. You can check out Laravel tutorial in Hindi. So I have written and all installation process I have done, and you can I want to install Laravel in my machine. So this is these are the first step we need to type in our terminal. So I am typing Laravel space new and project name. So I am giving name Laravel blogger. Okay, so Laravel blogger is our project name. Okay, now I'm going to use VS Code. Once it's done generating, optimize, and now these files are done. So this process are done, you can check here. Okay, so I'm closing now my terminal. I'm going to use VS Code and file open, and 1 second. Our project name is Laravel blogger, this one. Now you can check here. So our I'm using VS Code terminal, so you can click here menu bar and click on new terminal. Okay, now this terminal is working fine. Okay, so 1 second, I'm going to again. Now these are the Laravel structures, and we need to configure our database. So I'm using MySQL. Okay, so I have clicked on .env file, and the host name localhost, port number this one, database this one. On my database password is root@123. So I'm going to create one database with name Laravel underscore blogger. Okay, I have 1 second, I'm closing this one. I have my workbench. So you can use your anything, your database, whatever you have. So I'm using right now workbench, and I'm connecting with my credentials. So now we need to create here database. So I'm typing here create database and database name Laravel blogger. Okay, now you can check here Laravel blogger created successfully. 1 second, I'm dropping. of database and database name. Again I want to create database name. You can check our database is here. Okay, now fresh database we have, and hope so this process we've done. Now I'm going to here within a file directory we have already. You can check Laravel blogger. Okay, this process has done, and now you can check our database configuration is set. Now create migrations for admin. We need to create migrations for admin, so you can type here php artisans make and migration and table name. So I am giving admin's name, admins. Okay, now you can check php artisans make for migrations and create admins table. Now this is done. Okay, now we need to open our migration, so you can find database migrations and this one timestamp and create table name. Okay, you can check here. So now we have a big increment, id and timestamp only. Okay, so for the admin we need to some field like id, name, email, password, and boolean for is active or not, something we can check. And remember token while we putting form any form, so csrf token, for the csrf token we giving remember token. Okay, and timestamp. So hope so this field is clear for you. If you have any doubt you can check my to Laravel tutorial, then you have to clear. If you have any issue again, please comment on my comment section. Definitely I will try to again explain you. Okay, so I am copying from my website, I am removing this one, and you can check. So I'm again explaining you. Admin's name is table name and id for the increment, and string name is string, and email for the unique I have given here, and password and boolean is for checking is super for or not something. Okay, by default is zero, nothing. This is thing I hope so you have clear right now. Okay, now we need to create for the blogger. Okay, same we have given, so same you can type here the create and for the bloggers. Okay, okay, php artisans make migrations create blogger table. Okay, now enter. You can check here blogger also created. Okay, same field we have given here also. We have one second, what is the difference is super we have here written here is editor is we have given. Okay, same field we have for the registrations we need to field. So one second, I'm typing. Why I'm copying, because it will take a lot of time. So if you're typing here again and again, so video will more than 1 hour. I don't want to make a lot of video, so you can check out from here. Okay, so hopefully this is clear for you now. Now we have created two migrations. We need to run migrate. So one second, php we have created. One second, I am explaining you again. php artisans and make migration. So we have two migration right now. First is admin, second is bloggers. Okay, so admins we have created some columns id, name, email, password is super. Okay, hope so this field is for clear right now. So again we have created for the bloggers. You can check out from here also is editor and id, name, email, password, and is editor. Okay, now we need to run command php artisans migrate. Now you can check out all migrations are created. We have now 5 migrations. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. So you if you have checked your database, automatically 5 tables will create it. Okay, I'm running here. Sorry, one second. Now check out here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Reset for the password reset, and job field for the also. We have created admins, we have created blogger. Okay, you check out from here, and user 5 default created from Laravel. So ID, email, password is super, token created and updated at. You can check out from here tables for the admin. Okay, and we have created blogger also. Now you can check from blogger also. Hope so this process is clear for you. Okay, so now I'm going to again my editor. Hope so this is clear for you. Okay, now this process have done. Now we have three different tables: user, admins and blogger. Okay, so to use this table to authenticate, we need to define three models for them. These models will like a user model and extend to authenticable class. Okay, we need to create three model for three different classes. Okay, so now I'm going to create admin model. So php artisan create php artisans make model and model name. Okay, now here you can check, we giving some permissions for them. So you can find model within a app folder. You can check here model, admin model. Okay, so this model are right now blank, so we need to for the authentication purpose. So I'm giving here some, you need to notification these things, so you can check these things. Okay, you can check here. We don't need to look at some reviewing from here. Notable and extensions author as you now you have, I think so, clear. Okay, now I'm explaining you again. I'm again copying from here two things. So now we have admin class unauthenticable before checking for the authentications purpose. So we using the guard admin and fillable is the important to when user is filling, this is the important fields for the user name, email and password. Okay, and hidden is password and remember token. This is the hidden field, so protected, this is the protected. Okay, so hope so this is clear for you now. Okay, again we need to create for the blogger also. I'm typing here blogger. Okay, now blogger also created successfully. One second, blogger, these things. Okay, now we need to same fields for blogger also. Now blogger for also you can check guard name is blogger, and then we have saved in variable and fillable for also we have saved in variable. Okay, name, email and password, and here you can check password and remember token. Okay, so if you have doubt anything from here, so please comment on my comment section, and definitely I will try to make one more videos here for the step by step, so you can and more understand. So today I want to close within a 30 minutes something, so I'm trying here to copy from my website and putting here. And if you not understand what I'm doing here, please comment on comment section. Definitely I will try to make more video. Thank you. So we have done for the blogger and a model, we have done for the model and sorry, we have done model for admin and blogger. Now define guard, we need to define our guard for the permission is for the permissions, but where you can put here for the guard we going to where is present in guard configurations folder and auth. You can check out from here configurations and auth.php. Okay, so I'm here right now is a default guard from Laravel, and we need to save our for the blogger and admin. So here we need to save. Okay, you can check here for the admin and blogger. Yes, I'm copying everything from here. Okay, so now this process is done, and we need to also give some within a provider also. Okay, for the allocant if you am using, so for the model we need to register from provider also. Okay, so come here, we have written here, you can check out for the user by default is present, same things we need to put also. You can check provider users providers, user, and driver allocant, and user present in app folder also. You can check out from here. And admin, 1 second, I'm showing you. There is these things. You can check here. Okay, hope so this clear for you now. Okay, can check. Okay, so where is now? Yeah, now you check it. Provider, user, and allocant, and these things are done. Now our auth.php authentication is done. Now we need to come on the our controller we have created already, by default created by the Laravel. Come on, we need to do something from here. um, Closing this one, closing this one. Now app http controllers auth and login controller. Okay, now you can check your login controller from here. Okay, so by default login controller have http controllers and authenticates user and auth by default. Okay, so you can check it from here. Okay, so now by default function is constructor created, so middleware guest and logout something. Okay, now we have this is authenticated user. You can check here whatever we have add. We have use, you can check here use auth here. So I'm using all things here. Okay, authenticate user request and controller on auth. So use auth. Now hope so this is clear for you. Now for the constructor you can check here. You have constructor middleware accept logout if guest. Okay, middleware. And now we need to add these more to for admin and blogger. Okay, now check out. You can check same things we have added for the within a constructor. Now we need to add for the so admin login form, putting here so admin login form. So our view in present we will create after some time view in auth, and auth name is folder name and login is our view. So within a view folders we need to create one folder with name is auth and login is our file. Okay, login.blade.php we will get after some time. What is our URL for admin? You can check here, URL is admin. Okay, hope so now is clear. And after submitting this request we need to get from this function. Okay, you can check admin login. If I'm requesting email and ID and password is most important. So if, yeah, I'm checking here if admin, if guard is admin, so we are using for guard also. Okay, we have created authentication purpose, so I'm using here. Okay, hope so this is clear for you. Now I am here again. So guard admin we have created within a auth.php. Hope so you have check. You can check also previous video. And now guard is guard attempt email ID and password is here. Now remember token is also important. If anyone submitting means CSRF. Okay, now this things is attempt is correct. Now we are redirecting within a admin URL. Okay, so you means admin dashboard. Okay, now if this process these things is wrong, so automatically redirect in different back again. Remember and password. Okay, within pin password, so you will get some alert. Now for the admin we need to again same things we're doing for blogger. 1 second. Same functions I'm not explaining here. 1 second. Slow blogger same authentications for login, URL will logger. Okay, and email ID and password same things I have added here also. Now I'm going to modify our register controller. Okay, login is done. Now I'm going to register controller. Now you can check out from here the user controller we have app STT folder and controllers. We are right now controllers, so these things, and we are using app model is here. And now illustrations for this register users, we have added authentications for the register users. Okay, now I'm going to here to add all things. I don't want to miss anything, so I want to save over time. Okay, if you are using, so you can check here for the user admin blocker I have added, and these things already from the Laravel. So now this process also happened from my side. Now constructor, look here for registrations for the what we have constructor. 1 second, this one I have right now one only constructors function. We need to add these more also. Hope so is clear for you now. For the validator functions, if we are checking, we are giving one validator for the, if anyone putting ID and password something, we will validate. You can check here name, email, password already from the Laravel, these things, so you can check same. We don't need to copy and paste something. So we have to show registration form if anyone putting form. 1 second, we don't have right now, so we need to put here users, so admin registration. Okay, I'm putting here so admin registrations. So here again you can check admin is URL. Okay, and auth for the register. Auth.register, auth is our folder within a view folder, and register is our file name, register.blade.php. Okay, we'll create after some time. For the blogger also we need to put here something kind of this stuff. I'm putting here same things I have added for the blogger also. Okay, now create function. If anyone putting all things, so we will create. So these things already present in Laravel, we don't need to do anything. So create admin, if anyone putting for the ad from admin URL will admin, automatically these functions will go on. Okay, we'll give after some I will also explain you in after some time in route also, so don't worry about it. So now if anyone putting from admin panel, so name, email ID, password will created, and we will intend for the login also. Okay, we will validate first for the validator functions we have written here. So request dot all validate, you can check from here, we have already validator functions, so we will validate from here. Name and email is password. Suppose if anyone putting name, so we have given here required string and max to 55 characters. So you can check for the email also, we have given for the unique user, and password string minimum 8 characters. We can whatever we want to, we can put here. So here I have given already a minimum 8 character confirm. Okay, for the validation purpose I have given. So now if anyone putting for the registration process create admin, so request will automatically validate from these function I have given, these function validator functions. Okay, now all request will validate, then admin will create a email ID, sorry, name and email and password we have getting from here, and has functions we have given for the security purpose. Okay, so now if everything is fine, so we will redirect from the different prospectus from the login and admin if everything is wrong, so we will do that. So this is our model admin. Okay, and create automatically will create all things. Okay, now I'm coming again here for the blogger, we need to do same things. So I'm copying and pasting here everything for blogger also. Hope so this is this clear for you. Okay, same things I have given, so I don't need to explain, I think so. Now registration process will register login and registration process have been from my side. Now we need to add for the composer. So Laravel UI package provide the quick way to scaffold the routes and view. You need to authenticate using simple commands. Okay, composer require Laravel UI and dev. Here it will take little bit time, so installing all package, Laravel UI package. So just chill right now. after some time we need to run this command also, php artisans ui view and authenticates view dot for the ui.js. Okay, it will take a little bit time. Now I'm adding this one. This thing's also done. Now we need to install this one, npm install and npm run dev. Okay, now this thing's also installing. Now this process will be done from my side. Now we need to add some within a, I'm copying from here at the rate csrf. So we within a resource view auth and login.php. Okay, I am going to, 1 second, resource view auth login.php. I'm explaining you after some time, don't worry about it. Here after csrf I've given here. So why I'm doing here, so if you if is set is url and is url set, if is set is url, then we have the uc is we will print here first and first character will be the capital, and whatever we have two characters, so automatically first letter will capital, so we are using here for the uc words. Okay, and for the login, now if is set is equal to, then form automatically will these things. So login this one, if is set is equal to else, this url routes login. Okay, because we are using three for the simple registration and simple login, sorry, login for the user, login for blogger, login for uh, admin. So I have written two, if else. Okay, and csrf for the token. Okay, hope so this process will clear for you. If you have any doubt, please comment on my comment section. Definitely I will try to explain you in better way. For the registrations, I am copying from same things I have given here also. For the registrations, register.blade.php, I have created this video from my one subscriber who comments on my comment sections. My name is Ankur, so this video dedicated to Ankur. Now I have registration process system from my side, these things. Okay, I'm coming again here, these things, and now uh, create a page authentications. We need to create all pages for within a view. We have created auth.blade, so I'm using here touch resource view layout auth.php. Now admin, 1 second, again let's copy admin blogger home. Now done. Okay, so now insert the code block into the auth.blade php. So you can check out resource view layout auth.blade.php. so where is resource view layout? Okay, resource view layout and auth.blade.php, this is blank, so you can copy from here. And if you have doubt anything, so please comment on comment section. I will make separate video for you. Now here for the admin view admin, where is view? Here view admin, I'm putting here extending layout. I'm extending from the hope so this blade template. Hope so if you have any doubt to blade, you can check from my blade tutorial. I will give you link in descriptions area also. All playlists related to installing and compose install everything I have done also, so you can check it out from here. So now we need to add within a blogger. I'm adding here. Okay, now same things we need to add for home. I'm adding home. This thing's also done. Now we are creating routes. Okay, so you can add within a route and web.php. Okay, so you can check here, by default is welcome and routes. If anyone adding here, so automatically will call login controller. So login forms for the blogger I have given, these are the get functions and these are the post functions. Okay, post, if anyone posting, they automatically call the form registration and login. Okay, and for the authentication purpose I have given here middleware, I have called the auth. Okay, now now I'm adding within a middleware. Okay, middleware redirect if authentications. One second, where is our middleware? Within app http middleware here. Okay, middleware, if card is a admin authenticated card is correct, then check, then redirect is within a admin. Same for the blogger or same for the users. Okay, now hope so this is clear for you. Now I'm again exceptions, for the exception I am adding these things. Where is the exceptions? There you can check out from here, exception handler. Okay, here I'm adding everything. So if you have any doubt, please comment on comment section. Definitely I will make for the separate video for everything. Okay, I have added. Now everything is done from my side. Now we need to generate key generate, otherwise we will get some error. So key generator also successfully. Now PHP artisan serve. Now check out. Now Laravel is perfectly fine. Now I'm adding register you. I'm adding for user mail.com and password I'm putting admin 1818, admin 1818, registration. Now you're logged in. Okay, now check it. So now check in database bloggers, sorry, not is blogger, this is a user. Click on the users, you can check user name is user, everything is done. Okay, now login also done. Again check is working or not. Login, we have given name is user, check it. Yes, now done. Now we need to check for blogger. Okay, register admin, for the checking for admin. Okay, I'm giving name is admin@mail.com, password is admin 1818. Now admin 1818. Now for the done for the admin also. Now we are the login admin. I'm checking admin 1818. Now we have logged in. You can check here, URL is admin. Check our database. Now you can check here. Okay, now we need to check for the blogger. And log out, registration, blogger. Now I'm adding name is blogger, email ID is blogger@mail.com, password is admin 1818, admin 1818. Clicking on login. I think so anything missed out. I have admin, sorry, we need to check for the blogger@mail.com, admin 1818. Now you can check we are in blogger. I'm checking our data, saving or not within blogger, you can check out. So this process is done, and if you have any doubt you can check out from my blog, and even I have given all code in GitHub, so you can pull from the GitHub. And if you have any doubt I will make separate video for the separate section, because one viewer is tell me he needs something urgently, so I have created for Arun. He comments on my comment section, make a video for the for a client login. multi authentication. So I have make the video for the today. So if you have any doubt, please comment on my comment section. Definitely I will make for one video. Thank you, Arun.